went to university to study maths, and then I thought, this isn't for me, I need to do something hands-on and practical. So I just started looking for apprenticeship schemes, and I saw this one come up as I was searching, and I thought, yeah, why not go for this, see what happens. So the scheme involves working with all the departments in theatre, so mainly sound, lighting and stage. There's a lot of training involved as well, so they'll train you to the level that they need you at. So I'd say there's probably not a typical day in theatre. There's always something different happening. That means it's exciting. There's always something interesting. You meet loads of creative people and get to work on some amazing shows. I knew very little when I started. It surprises me how much you can learn in such a short space of time. Once you've had the apprenticeship qualification, you can just sort of apply wherever you want, and as long as they're happy with the amount of experience that you've had, then you can work as like a freelancer, or you can sign up as a casual staff member. I think anyone